Tilesets are a graphical list of tiles that can be used to design the scenes in our game. In Stencyl, there are two main ways to get tilesets. One, by downloading them from Stencyl Forge, or two, by importing them from an external file. When you have tilesets saved into your Stencyl game, a number will show up on the right-hand side of the word tilesets under Resources in your dashboard, stating just how many. Notice that we don't have any at the moment. Let's go to Stencyl Forge and see the process of downloading one. Once you click on Stencyl Forge in your menu bar, click on Tilesets under Media to view a list of tilesets that can be used in a Stencyl game. Double-click on one to find out more information about the tileset, and then click on the Download button to download it into your Stencyl game. Just remember that you will need a Stencyl Forge account in order to download any Stencyl resource into your game. Another way to add a tileset to your game is to import it by clicking on the import icon on your menu bar. This will open up a window for you to find any material that is saved on your computer for you to add it to your game. Locate any saved tileset of choice and double-click on it in order to load it into Stencyl. Regardless of what method you choose to add a tileset to your game, when the tileset loads, it will load as a set of columns and rows, each squared and 32 by 32 in size. When you select a square, the collision bound window will display to the right side of the screen. Collision bounds map how your actor will collide or interact with the tilesets, so it is important to have the correct collision bound shape based on the tile selected to achieve the most realistic gameplay in your Stencyl game. To change the collision bound for a tile within a tileset, first select that tile. Then, navigate to a collision bound in the right side window that is better suited for the tile's shape. Once you find that shape, go ahead and select it. Now, don't forget to keep the changes you've made by hitting the Save Game icon. Now that we have one tileset saved, we can build a scene or level for our game. Under Resources, click on Scene. To start, you can click on the area this game contains no scenes, but I'm going to click on the green Create New button. This will bring up a window for you to create your game. Click inside of the name box and type in the name of your first level. The size area will allow you to determine how long or wide you want your scene to be. For now, we will leave it on the default. All of these properties can be changed or adjusted later if we choose to do so. Do not adjust the pixels of your tiles. This will throw off the downloaded tileset that we have. The background color area allows us to choose a color for our scene. We have three choices that we can select from: solid color, no color, or a vertical gradient. I'm going to choose a vertical gradient. A vertical gradient will allow me to choose two different colors and have them blend from one to the next as the background color of my scene. The first color taking the top and the second color dominating the bottom. Now go ahead and click on the Create button. You should now see the background color and size that you have applied to your game. On the right side in the tile palette, you should see the tile set that you have downloaded into Stencyl. This area allows you to click on one or to choose multiple tiles by holding down the left mouse button and dragging your mouse over a desired area. Once you have made a selection, move your mouse to your background to see an indication of the tiles that you have selected. Using this process, you can build a level by adding tiles like puzzle pieces. Left-click on the desired location to place this tile or tile set. To remove a tile placed in your scene, on the left-hand side of your window, you will see a black arrow from a list of tools. Selecting this tool will allow you to click on any tile and move it by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to another location, or you can delete it by hitting the delete button on your keyboard. You can also affect multiple tiles at once by clicking and holding down the left mouse click button on any empty area of your scene and dragging your mouse icon over any amount of tiles of choice. This will select all highlighted tiles and allow you to move them or to delete them if you choose by hitting the delete button. To place an actor inside of a scene, click on the Actors tab of your palette window. Here you will see a list of actors that you have saved into your Stencyl game. Select the actor that you want to place inside of your game. When you move your mouse over to the scene, you will see the indication of the actor. Go to a desired starting point for your actor and hit the left mouse click button to place them within the scene. Adding more characters and tile sets will allow you to make a more interesting game. Feel free to do so. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit the save button to save all changes made to your game.